The aging process is creating wrinkles. What is actually happening here? You can see it creates lines. Actually, that muscle becomes really tight. It is contracted and is stretching this area softly. Always move in this direction. Apply 3 times. Push everything upwards 3 times like this, and then down, 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 down. And over here, just give a good massage, and again, downwards. Massage it upwards over here in the corner of the eye to relax the muscle. Look at that. Look at the difference between the left and the right. I open up the eye completely and relax it. I love to work with my hands. Why? Hands, they hold energy. Touch your skin, it recognizes it, and it just has an amazing effect on your skin, on your organs, and connects with you. It's yours. It's your energy. So use that energy.